Hello guys, this is Mike from programming.org. Today I'm going to show you how to call methods from a different class, how to instantiate different classes within this main method of a driver class. I just called this class driver because that's a pretty generic name that you call the class that the main method sits in. So right now what we're going to do is create a new class, which would have gave me the folder. Okay, and we're just going to call this name. I'm just going to return the name from it. So I'm going to create a method in here. It's going to be public. I won't say void because I'm just going to do a print statement with it. It's not returning any value. So void print name, and no parameters for right now. Open the curly brackets and we will do a system.out.println let's just say Mike. Okay, so what we have now is an object or a class called name, and it's pretty much a template for an object. And what you do here in the main method is we instantiate that name object. There can be multiple objects, so we're going to call the class name, and I'll just call it Mike for this particular object. So each class can have multiple objects. There would be no point for this one because it does the same thing, but when you have a bunch of methods and a bunch of variables that you can manipulate, it's very important that you can create a lot of different objects. That's the whole point of object-oriented programming, is to be able to create all these objects out of one class, and the class is pretty much a template or a blueprint for the object. So right here, creating the object Mike, you're going to say new, the class name, no parameters because we don't have a constructor yet. I guess that'll be my next tutorial. And from this we can call the method. So to use this object, we say, let's find out what the method name is. Print name. That's the only method, or special method for name. There's already some built-in methods through Java that you can use, but let's say Mike dot. You have a few of these things, and then right here is the. See how right here it says name? That's the object that or the class you're using, and all these are generic objects. There's subclasses of the object parent class. So we're going to say print name, and at the bottom of the screen it prints Mike. So right now you can use different Java classes and they will all interact as long as the name is instantiated within this driver class. In the next tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a constructor that will be able to make this class a little bit more unique. We won't be just printing out Mike. What will happen is we will pass in any type of name in here and it'll print that name out. So please join me on the next tutorial about constructors, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Nick Programming, and y'all have a great day.